Description: for cleaning all Mason Pearson hairbrushes. Benefits: removes trapped dead hair, dry scalp scales and other debris from hairbrush bristles. Suggested use: used for both dry and wet cleaning methods. Top reviews from the United States. Gets the job done. Own the brushes and will say it is quite an investment. The grueling part is maintaining and cleaning it from the dirt, oils and hairs. The cleaning brush makes a world of a difference. I no longer have to use a fine thin comb. Using the brush is sturdy, quick and easy. Top quality Mason Pearson brush cleaner. This is the real thing.